Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create a Webflow account. First, navigate to the Webflow website. Look for the prominent Get Started Free button, usually found in the top right corner or center of the home page. Click this button to proceed. You'll then be prompted to enter your email address and choose a strong password. Make sure your password is at least 8 characters long for good security. After entering your basic login details, you'll move on to personalizing your profile. This step helps Webflow tailor your experience. You'll need to provide your full name and, if you're representing a business, your company name. Next, select your primary role or industry from the available options. Finally, indicate your experience level with web design platforms, which helps Webflow suggest relevant resources. Once your profile is set, it's time to set up your workspace. Give your workspace a descriptive name that reflects your projects or business. You'll then have the option to start building from scratch with a blank canvas or select one of Webflow's many professional templates. Take a moment to explore the dashboard. It's where you'll manage all your sites and projects. This initial setup is quick and straightforward. With your account created and workspace ready, you can now dive into the Webflow Designer. Spend some time exploring the various panels and tools available. Webflow offers an extensive library of free tutorials and lessons to help you master the platform. As your projects grow, you might consider upgrading your account to unlock advanced features, custom code options, and robust hosting capabilities for your live sites.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.